Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna be recording a video on the new Animal Company updates. Well, yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first. All right. So they have not much things new. But, so the parents leave. They have a new boombox, a new. So they have a new boombox. It's somewhere. Oh, so they hit or they put a boombox somewhere in the map. Here! It's supposed to play a new sound. You know, I'll keep you anyway. Actually, I swear I'm not dumb. No. Oh yeah, guys, and supposedly they fixed some bugs for the new stuff, but we'll see about them. I'll be the judge of that. So there's like, I know there's a new boombox. Oh yeah, they did a live event for freaking Gorilla Tag. I was gonna record it, but I forgot. And when I recorded it on the freaking whatever thingy majig, and then it messed up. So like I went to my foot library / gallery. I recorded it, and I couldn't find it, so like I just couldn't record it. I wish you could dig. Well, like, I just wish you could dig here. Just digging first off. It's so. They need to make like a digging spot. Oh yeah. This is where the blue box is. Some sucks. Shut up. Shut up. You know what? Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm too famous. Ah! I didn't crash. Duh. Ow. But anything. Anything. Ah. So like, who gives a fum? Oh yeah, I forgot to reveal something that I was supposed to have. Whoa, I teleported. Guys, I'll find out how to get the new beats. I just found out. But so here's what you need to do, okay? You need to get the where's my move bot? Wait, I need to join that. I think I have one in my stash from the when they like just released it, but let me see. They didn't just, but like when they first ever released it, but we'll see. Oh, I do. Alright, but look. Yeah. New beats. What? Which one? There is none with liquid. Left or right? Oh, like the one he... Oh, no. It's fine. No. It sounds good though. Ooh. Actually like it. No. I got one. I swear if it's copyright, I'm gonna crash out. No light. I'll put it on the top here. When I found out that, did the music turn off? Oh, yeah, it gotta be motivation. Guys, so when you go down here, you're gonna wanna go click anything that when you reach the chest. Oh my god! Here. You're gonna wanna go this way. that's how you know you're here. He's gonna want to dig near the ground. Son of a bitch! Down there. But I actually this is like a hint. Just like no.
Wanna play minigame?
Shut up! I'm recording a video right now.
Wanna play minigame?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, wanna play minigame?
No! I'm recording a video on how to get the new VHS tape and update. I swear!
Where I do?
Mining place.
Where?
There. Mining place. We're Cheeto Foot to the mining place. Right now I made a massive hole and I'm just like digging to the new VHS tape. Alright, so here. Go up. Go. There. Here. You see this. Okay. See that? So that's how you know you're here. You're gonna see this. What? It's gonna explode. Sandbox. Here. Yeah. I wonder what happens if you like just break your fold. Like, right now I don't really care. Where you are, VHS tape.
I'm stick! I'm stick!
Let's see it.
I'm stick! I'm stuck!
What's up, bro?
Yay!
I'm going back to spawn.
What is this?
Oh, look. Look what I found, Bubs.
Let me see.
Look, it's a new VHS tape. Look, so you're gonna go up here, come over here.
Hold on. I'm really slow at walking
I am
because
slow,
you're
bro.
buying new stuff.
So like, over here, there's a whole new area. I saw from no light. You might look, Bugs, come over here. Come over here. There's a VHS tape right here. You see it? VHS tape. Grab it. This is the sandbox VHS tape. It's the sandbox. So you're gonna want to come back.
Dad,
Big
do a shot. Can I do a shot?
No. You know what? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
It's
great.
like open. Yeah.
Alright. So like, you know, you're just gonna
Oh
wanna.
no, I stuck down here. I stuck down here. I stuck.
You're
Never
just
mind.
gonna
I'm
wanna
not
dig
Ah!
in. Yo,
What do you mean?
bro, how am I still faster than you?
Where are you?
Look,
Ow. There's no hole here. There's no hole here. There's no hole here. Oh.
did who forget where he came from?
Why you make it so shallow? Thank you.
The only reason why I made it shallow is just because I just wanted to. Because right now it's so annoying that this music keeps shaking.
Wait, you have 2 music boxes?
No, I
Look
only
at
have one.
one.
I had 2 until I lost my first one because I didn't know you could just like change it.
How can you change the music?
You wanna see? I'll show you when we're done. It's just
Are you sure why we going through you? That's the wrong way.
that's the wrong
That's
way.
the right way.
I'm over here. The what?
And you're struggling and I ain't buckling.
Dad, I'm not struggling.
Yes, you are.
I'm just tired because this video is taking forever.
That's, I just wanted to annoy you for today because I'm bored.
I'm just gonna remove your admin.
No! Actually, I wanted to ask if you wanted to do a movie.
No. Wait, now I can't.
Where's Sandbox? Where's Sandbox?
I'm finding it.
Ah!
Oh my god.
I can't see. Hold on. Stop.
Shut up.
Stop. You're too fat.
Oh, I found it. I did it. It's this one. It's this one. It's this one. Up there. Hurry up.
Go in. It won't go in. Hold on. I'm gonna try to make it right here.
Alright, but yeah, it has
What
different
did I do?
beatbox. Look.
How do you change it?
Hey, this is mine. Wherever you are. Yeah, I have no clue where you are. Oh, I did have a moon rock. But yeah, so you can change it. But yeah,
Found one.
here, Bubs. This is how you change it, though. Look, Bubs, you play it on, and then you press the. Oh my! Look. Press the arrow. I had one of those for a long time. Ever since the game started, I've always wanted like just one that would change, and they finally got it. Munich. You can't put it on your back. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace out.